Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you are having a fantastic day. If you're new to the channel, my name is Parker Nierenstein, and this is Vehicle Virgins. This morning, we are going on a little rally from Beverly Hills to Angeles Crest, one of my favorite roads in the state, and one that I don't go to enough. But I've got a difficult decision, and this is I feel so blessed to have to choose. Do I take the 720S or the 600 LT on the rally? What would you guys choose? Comment in the comment section below. 600 LT or 720S. I think we're going with the 720 because I just took the 600 on a rally. This car is pretty dang fast. Let's roll. But before we head out on the rally, I gotta thank the sponsor of today's video, Zebit. On Zebit, you can shop from millions of products from your favorite brands and pay interest-free over time. In addition to the interest-free credit, Zebit is free to join. There's no late fees. It doesn't impact or even check your credit score, and it is super, super easy to sign up. The Zebit marketplace has everything you could think of, from everyday items to appliances, furniture, camera equipment, and more. You can even buy tires. Check this out, a set of Ventus V12 Evo 2 tires for a BMW M3 that would normally cost you about $1,000 can be had on Zebit for just $88 due today with absolutely no interest. Financing with no interest is literally the best invention ever. So guys, visit zebit.com/vehiclevirgins or click the link in the description below to get up to $2,500 of interest-free credit. Seriously, what are you waiting for? Let's get on to the video. Got the squad rolling out. We got James in the Z06, Malcolm in the GT3 RS, me and Chris in the 720S. What's up, dude? These guys are smart, went to bed early. We went to bed at 3 and got up at just before 8, so freaking tired. All right, time to roll out to Beverly Hills. Throwback to this spot right here. I got pulled over in the Huracan by this super chill cop who comes up to me and goes, "Do you know why I pulled you over?" And I'm thinking, I don't know, no license plate, maybe I was going a little over the speed limit. And he goes, "Nope, I'm a Vehicle Virgin subscriber." Shout out to you, dude. SV Roadster. Just got to the start where we're all meeting up. A ton of Lambos rolling up. Check this out. We got a Superleggera twin turbo by Underground Racing. This thing sounds mean. We got some crazy cars at the starting grid here. Check out this Viper Time Attack. Apparently it makes over 900 horsepower to the wheels. Oh, that is badass.
I'll show you the magic button too.
Oh yeah, let's check it out. Is it hidden?
Right on the shift knob.
Oh, that's some Fast and Furious shit.
It is. I need 2 bottles, the big ones, by tonight. Damn.
Then my friend Brandon just took delivery of this beautiful Pista. Love the bronze wheels. That interior is savage. And then we got a pro-charged ACR over here. Performante. Oh, look who we got here.
Hey.
What's going on, man? You ready for this rally?
I don't think so.
No?
I didn't realize it was this
Dude,
big.
the wrap is sick. It's actually sick. What's going on, dude?
How are you, buddy?
I'm good, man. How are you?
Good to see you, buddy.
Good to see you.
Yes.
Another beautiful Pista. You gotta love the LA car scene. I thought this was gonna be a small little meetup with like 10 cars. Turns out there's like 100 supercars here. This is about to get ridiculous. Dave! What up, dude? Good to see you. Congrats on the new car. It's freaking badass, man. Dude, long time no see, man.
Been too long.
It has been too long.
How are you?
I'm doing fantastic. How are you?
I'm amazing, guys.
How do you like the new car?
I absolutely love this car. It's so sick. It sounds great. It's yellow, like my shoes.
Oh, damn, look at that.
Here's what's gonna blow your mind. I bought these shoes a year ago, long before I had this car.
Check this out, guys. Squadra Corsa? Corsa? I don't even know.
Squadra Corsa with an E.
Squadra Corsa. This is like a more badass version of the Super Trofeo Stradale. There's only 50 of these, and Dave has one.
I have one of them. There's 18 in North America. They all came in yellow. Apparently overseas there was red and gray.
Oh, that's pretty
They're
cool.
yellow here.
And he's gonna take the bumper off, camo wrap it, put some lights on the top.
Headlight delete, police lights. No, this car is gonna get a few things, nothing too
crazy.
It's super rare.
Yeah, yeah.
I do have some respect for the brand.
Wearing a Ferrari shirt.
My bad.
Beautiful GT2 RS. Just random Maybach. That is beautiful. Definitely one of the sickest cars here. 997 GT2 RS. Let's check this out. I love these cars so much. On second thought, given that it's an automatic, I guess it's a Turbo S. Vic's Urus is looking epic with all the 1016 forged carbon parts on it. Check out this forged carbon hood. That is absurd. Gotta get that Tinder pic in front of someone else's car. All right, it is finally time to head out on the rally. Got another buddy behind me in a beautiful Pista. The houses out here are equally ridiculous as the cars. Oh my God, that lineup. Sebastian is driving Grayson's GT3. This thing sounds so gnarly with the new exhaust. Listen to this. Hey, there's a car show that way. So I guess we're all stopped because a Performante crashed. Let's go check this out.
That Blue Beauty's perf, they wrecked here like a while ago. I think the car's still here.
All right, pulling up to the scene. Is everyone all good?
Yeah, they're good.
What's up, dude?
What's up, bro?
That's not good.
Not good at all.
Well, hopefully everyone's okay. That looked like a pretty gnarly crash of that beautiful blue Performante. Damn. Oh my God. Insane start to the rally. We're at the bottom of Angeles Crest now. Got the cars filled up. The Pista with a tune and exhaust is crazy fast. Gas station about to be crazy. Oh my God, the sound of that Viper.
Search and rescue.
Really? Oh shit.
Someone went off the side.
Oh my gosh. Twinning GTRs. Just pulled up to the overlook as all the cars are coming at the end of the Angeles Crest drive. That was a pretty sick drive, although on Sundays there is a decent amount of traffic, but we did get some good runs in. Look at this. This is not even like a third of the cars. All right, well, I got a rally snake now.
It's Oliver's first rally.
His name's Oliver.
Big snake guy.
Big snake guy.
Did it look like bite?
No, it's so cute.
Dude, it cannot bite you. Look how small its mouth is.
If it can wrap around my hands, you can hold it. Don't be a pussy. Let's go.
All the cars are starting to roll in now. It's starting to get packed out here. This is ridiculous. I love days like today. Look at this. Every time I see the Impressive Wraps wide body Aventador, it absolutely blows my mind. Look how low this thing is. Absolutely slammed. 360. This is comedy. I gotta say, the 720S Spider is the perfect car for a day like today. It is super easy to drive, so it's easy to focus with all the supercars around. You drop the top instantly. It is so fast, so it keeps up on the highway. I'm having a blast in this thing. McLaren, you absolutely killed it with the 720. All right, cruising back down the hill now behind Malcolm in the GT3 RS and Brandon in his Pista. That Pista sounds so insane with that exhaust. Oh my God, this car is so epic. Some crazy roads out here in Mexico. Well guys, that was an absolutely insane day. Rallying behind a GT3 RS and a Pista that was shooting flames and popping was absolutely nuts. We just stopped off here to grab a quick burger, so I think it's time to end the vlog, but man, I had an absolute blast. The 720S was an absolute champion on the rally. So comfortable, so easy to drive, and honestly, I think probably the best rally car you can possibly get. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like always, please browse the channel and subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.